Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your December read. Let's see what energies are flowing towards you, Libra, in the month of December, and how you can use these messages to have a wonderful month ahead. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of December. Thank you. Alright Libra, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright Libra, Page of Wands. I'll put this closed. We'll open these later. And secret message from the universe. Bottom of my deck, I have the Five of Swords. What is going on, Libra? Are you going to fight for what you want in December? I see you as very, very strong though. The Strength card is here for December. From what I'm feeling right now, Libra, you're on the verge of starting something new. Either you want to connect with someone, either maybe you're waiting for a message, you want to send a message. Whatever this message or this newness is about some kind of a new beginning, because that's what I see in your recent past as well. In the recent past, either you were thinking of taking a risk or doing something brand new in your life, and I see the progression here, and you're coming into a place of great strength in the month of December. So let's clarify these cards. Actually, first let's take our Ganesha Oracle card. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you for the month of December. Then we'll start the clarification process, okay? So Lord Ganesha for Libra, what do you have for my Libra gang? Okay, the card I have here says Revelation. So something is coming to light, it seems. Let me just check. Number 15, 33, that's a double 3 for you. Okay. Revelation. Get ready for key changes in your external and internal worlds. You've come to the end of a cycle and it's time for you to create something new. That's exactly what I was getting. Through this card, Ganesha is indicating that it is a time to break down some of those structures that you've created in this world. This has the potential to feel painful and challenging if you resist the process. This revelation coming to you may relate to your ego and your illusion of separateness from others. You will develop a new perspective on things, and your revelation will help you to grow stronger, wiser, and more composed. You may encounter some challenges along the way, but these are necessary for your spiritual growth and enlightenment. Honesty will bring about a positive change, even if you experience some pain and anxiety through the process. When you begin to reach for your goal, you will come to realize that your true security and strength lie within you and your relationship with the universe, and not in some false belief system or artificially created world. Be willing to reveal your truth to those around you. Wow, goes so beautifully with the cards that have just come out. So Libra, I'm going to put this card here, and I'm also going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say to this. My angels for Libra for December, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Look deeper. That's exactly what Lord Ganesha was saying. Don't look at the surface of things, the 3D reality of things. Some people spend so much time in their ego and their big houses and cars and jewelry and stuff like that. It's time to look deeper and see what really has value in your life, Libra. Okay, so let's put this here as well. And Spirit, what's this Page of Wands for Libra? This is their current energy before December. Some things have probably not gone in the direction you wanted them to. Maybe you're confused about how to set things into motion again. maybe you want to rush forward and say something to somebody. It could also be an apology that you're thinking of giving, Libra. This is something that it's been confusing you for some time, right? Something went a different direction. You've been wondering how to maybe approach this conflict that you've had about something, and part of you wants to rush forward and maybe apologize or give an offer, but there's a bit of thinking about it. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past with the Fool energy? What happened in the recent past? You wanted to start something new, or there was a potential to start something new, Libra, but there was some delay. Maybe you weren't ready for it, or you were emotionally closed off. You weren't, even though I think you knew you wanted it, I think you tricked yourself out of a new beginning from what I'm feeling. Maybe your inability to open up and speak about what you wanted. This could be anything, could be a job, could be business, could be a relationship, Libra. There's something that you wanted to start anew, but you were unable to manifest. But now I think you're getting a little antsy. You are getting a little antsy as to what to do, how to move forward. Yes, you want to resurrect whatever you were unable to in the recent past. There's something that you wanted to start anew, but it didn't take off, let's put it this way. But now I think, Libra, you seriously want to revive that once again. So what's coming up in December then, Spirit, with the Strength card? Strength card, Temperance, Four of Cups, King of Swords, and the Moon card. What Libra, what Spirit is saying that in the month of December, I think till now you've been kind of feeling a little rejected and dejected, maybe that particular offer that you wanted didn't manifest, and now any other new offer that comes your way, that's not seeming that exciting to you. You feel things are out of balance at the moment. What Spirit is suggesting right now, Libra, in December, whatever you want, you will have to pick yourself up and reveal, be open about it. Don't keep, like, people are not mind readers. If you want a new job, you have to go and speak to the company, right? And say, here's my resume, and I am not willing to take a no. I'm going to wait forever if I have to, and I want that job. And you have to try and try again. What Spirit is saying, you have to be strong to reveal what you really want. If you keep it all secretly hidden in your heart, how is it going to manifest? So your suggestion is, I think, to be truthful and have, I mean, not that you're not truthful, but be very clear in your communication. This is your card. I mean, King of Swords is an air sign card, right? And that's you, Libra. But what Spirit is saying, be very straightforward with your communication. Don't expect people to understand what you're hiding in your heart. So what can we expect now for in December for Libra, Spirit? What can we expect? Spirit says once you put your barrier down, once you start to be more open, we promise you this will be the end of your anxiety, of your sleepless nights, whatever you've been stressing about, all that's going to be over. There's only one suggestion here, Libra, is to have clear-cut communication. Once you do that, things will start opening up for you. Instead of sitting by yourself and worrying about things, it's better to pick yourself up, be strong enough to go and ask for what you want. Oops, sorry, I dropped a card. Give me a second. I'm still in my temporary setup, so struggling with whatever space I have. Yeah, your ships are coming in, Libra. Your ships are coming in December. I think you've been very patient and maybe losing hope, but Spirit is assuring you that, you don't even realize how far you've come. You may be thinking you've made absolutely no progress, but you don't even know that things have already started moving for you. And in December, all you have to do is go out and grab it. And for that, you have to have clear communication. So, Spirit, what is Libra holding on to? Libra, you're holding on to this. This is what is going to go away in December, and the trick is speak to speak out what you want. So Spirit is saying Libra is still holding on to this, sitting quietly, maybe at night, not being able to sleep, having nightmares, worried. So Spirit is saying, please tell Libra not to hold on to this. Okay? Instead of keeping all your worries to yourself, it's best to now be open and direct and share whatever's bothering you. So, why is Libra holding on to this, Spirit? Nine of Swords. This could be something related to your stability, your money, your home, your maybe a marriage or a partnership. You're worried about the stability which you feel you may lose. So that could be a big worry to you. But Spirit says, instead of keeping it under wraps and worrying, just within yourself, I think it's best to lay that burden down now by honestly discussing what's worrying you. And this is going to go. This is what you're holding on to, right? This Nine of Swords is what you're holding on to. And in December, this is going to go. There's only one trick. Don't keep it in your heart. Just speak it out. Even if it's, let's say, to a therapist or a close friend or people who can help you. So what should Libra let go of, Spirit? Let go of being double-minded or feeling, should I not, will it happen, will it not? I think this is creating that anxiety for you, which is not letting you sleep, I guess, Libra. Don't second guess yourself. So why should Libra let go of the Two of Pentacles, Spirit? Why should Libra let go of this? Yes, because there's so much happiness coming towards you, Libra. Let go of this indecision now. Let go of this indecision. Spirit is assuring you that whatever is keeping you halted is going to come to an end in December, and there's sunshine coming back for you. Yes, you're unduly worried. I think you're unduly worried, Libra. Look at what is in store for you. Look at what is in store for you. Stable partnerships, emotional happiness, and sunshine. The only problem is you have to let go of your own indecision, this overthinking that you're doing. So, Spirit, what can become Libra's biggest block now in the month of December? Choice. Having to make a choice. Why will this become a blockage, Spirit? Why will this become a blockage? You know what, Libra, I think you are wishing for something. You are wanting something very badly. You want something to work out. But somewhere you doubt yourself. You doubt yourself. You feel, well, it's going to backfire. Even if I do this, it's going to backfire. This duality in your mind is what is going to become your biggest blockage. This not being able to make a choice to go one direction is going to become a blockage. So be very mindful. If you have a goal in mind, if you have a wish in your heart, go for it straightforward instead of always wondering whether it's going to backfire on you. So be mindful of that, Libra. Don't let that become a blockage, please. And let's see how people are going to be viewing my Libra gang in the month of December. See, overburdened. Taking on the world's responsibility, Libra. Now that you've seen this reading, please, I don't want people to see my Libra gang like this. Let's see why. Why will people see Libra as the Ten of Wands, Spirit? Okay, that's good. All right. So Libra, I think, no, I was wrong. People will not see you taking on all the burdens of the world. The clarifier suggests that you are walking away from it. You will be walking away from all this heavy burden that you've been carrying. This is an end of a cycle. This is an end of a cycle that you're walking away from. Instead of sitting in sadness and regret for what was lost, Libra, people are going to be seeing you in self-love. This is a brand new. The aces mean number one, right? So after the tens, and here are two tens for you. The two tens you're leaving behind and moving straight towards the aces. And Ace of Cups is the best one because, well, you're loving yourself and giving yourself a chance to heal. Right? So that's how people are going to be seeing you. That my Libra, maybe you've had some things which haven't gone your way in the past, but you will be in the month of December. At least that's how your close family, children, friends will be seeing you. That Libra is finally walking away from all that didn't work out to taking care of themselves into a happier, self-loving place. That's beautiful. All right, so Libra, let's see what Spirit's secret message is for you. Two of Swords. All right, we get that, Spirit. You're basically trying to tell Libra not to be in dual mind and to make some decisions. Yes, Libra, what Spirit is saying, please get out of this. I mean, remove that blindfold. Don't be in indecisions. This is again, should I not, which direction should I go to? So Spirit's secret message is the same as this entire reading. What Spirit is saying, you have to be very decisive. You have to be very decisive as to which sword you want to pick up, which direction you want to go to. And you don't have to discuss it with too many people, Libra. What is confusing you is maybe communicating with too many people. So I think use your own discernment in December. Choose one path. Pick up that one sword and directly go towards what makes you happy. Duality always comes when other people get, when you start asking for too much advice or too many people get in the mix. Let's take one more. Yeah, see? Hierophant. You're going to be in a good place. The universe is backing you. What do you need when the universe is by your side or backing you? So Spirit says, don't worry about it. We are there with you, helping you make your decisions, but still you have free will, Libra. We can't make the choice or the decision for you. Yes, we will support you once you pick up your direction, your choice, and then you're on your way. Wonderful. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.